Soldier wey dey suffer day and night. How much dey pay soldiers? I hear say they na shoot wey iron dey that last corporal hand. You just come from, you don't take your drug, you dey call yourself governor. They misbehave up and down. Who the fucking hell are you, governor? So who the fucking hell are you? Who are you? This say na me you go jam that day. I no go. You are calling me useless. I will useless you there.
Guys, e be like say this country wahala no dey finish for here. Trouble no dey finish for here. I swear. Now soldiers now they don dey vex. I tell una say Sanwoolu e arrest soldier. Una say him be governor. I dey let una know say na civilian him still be. Na civilian governor. Una no hear. Now soldier don dey fight for him own soldier. Wahala burst. Make I first show una the video where Sanwoolu, okay, governor, arrest soldier. Civilian no dey arrest soldier. No dey hear am. So make una tell me now, my people, how we go take settle this quarrel now? How we go take settle this quarrel? Me, I no dey o. My own na just to dey bring the gist for una. I go gist una if Sanwoolu reply. Oya now, let's go there.
Go check Ojo road good. Ojo road good. Come see Ozula every almighty. Dan Chukwuwarka. Ayé ya ma bàjẹ́ dànù ni Governor Sanwoolu. You are mad. Calling a soldier useless. Serving you, and if you want to do your dirty work, you call soldiers. You are mad. And all of you wey dey comment rubbish, you are stupid.